Guys, it is spring and there is still snow in PA. This honestly explains Pennsylvania for you guys. For you guys that haven't been to the state, this weather has been crazy this past year, but just going with the flow, enjoying what we have right now. Hopefully it gets warm out, hopefully it gets nice out. But anyways, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Caleb, for you guys that don't know me, from anewexpression.net, where we help you become your greatest self. Now, in today's video, we are going to do a little vlog kind of series. I'm going to be taking guys with me on my day-to-day routines. So it is currently, let's see, it is currently 3:24. So it's pretty late in the day, but I got all my work done. Basically, I woke up around 8:30. Did some work for about 2 hours, recorded some videos, put out some blog posts, and did all that. Did some ideas, business ideas and all that. If you guys want to check out my blog, it is anewexpression.net. I should have it in the link below. You guys can check that out. But yeah, just basically go in on a lot of personal development, a lot of things that can vary from subject to subject, topic to topic. But anyways, if you guys do want to check that out, it will be in the description below. But yeah, we will take you guys with me. Who knows, I'm going to see my girlfriend in about an hour, so we'll do that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Guys, my gas tank is the gas light is always on. I always tend to run out of gas, especially with this monster right here, the minivan. But we will go get some gas, and yeah, let's go for a drive. Alright guys, so I'm driving behind this car right here. Shoot. Alright, well, he's driving, but there's a sticker right behind the car and says we are a company car and we only drive the speed limit. Yet he's going so fast, he's not even going the speed limit at all. I'm gonna try to zoom in on him. I'm not trying to flag this guy or anything, but I just thought it was kind of ironic. And let's see. Come on, do it. Alright, well, that sticker right there, the yellow sticker right there, I'm gonna crash, guys. But that sticker right there says that we only drive the speed limit. He is not driving the speed limit. He is going rather fast. But yeah, we are going to stop by some Burger King, get some Burger King going. If you guys can read that, that's what it is, unless he's pulling into Burger King. Come on. Alright, never mind. Alright, what is going on here? Alright, sounds good. Guys, this whole menu looks so amazing. I know I talk about eating good, but I have my moments, and when I do have my moments, I go straight to Burger King. So these are one of those moments. What's going on, man? Could I get, let's get 2 cheeseburgers. Okay. And then let me get 1 rodeo burger, please. Okay. Anything else? No, that's it. Currently at the girl's house.
At the girl's house.
At the girl's house.
What does that
Some
mean?
girl's house. And we are just relaxing, and we are about to get up, and apparently there's some really good snacks. What'd you say? It was a honey cheese curls from hers. And so we're gonna go try and find them. I don't know what store is gonna have them. I'm thinking Wegmans might have them, but we'll have to check. So we'll go around and check, and then we'll go to Barnes, get some work done, be productive on a Tuesday afternoon. And yeah, I will see you guys. I'll take you guys with me. Hopefully we can find the snacks, right? Alright. Peace! So we are on the mission to find these snacks. Hopefully we find them. Take you guys with me. pretty cold. Guess it rained. Alright, so first stop is gonna be the Dollar Tree. Hopefully we can find that. Think we're gonna have any luck here?
Maybe.
Hopefully. Alright, first stop, Dollar Tree, let's go. Alright, so which aisle do you think it's gonna be at? Let's go.
Down here. And then chips are all the way.
Ooh, look at all this.
Isn't it crazy how the
So
dollar
good.
store has like kind of high quality stuff?
She says the Dollar Tree has high quality things.
Oh, it does.
I don't think so. Let's see. Let's see. Cheese. Nope.
Wait.
They have it.
It's right there.
No, they have it. Thumbnail. Thumbnail right here. It's the thumbnail. Awesome. You want to get 2 of these?
Yeah, we do.
All right, grab
Like
one.
candy.
Or try the hot ones too. Actually,
Yeah.
no, that's probably disgusting.
You want
No,
to get one
no,
of
let's
those
get 2
and one
of
of
these.
those? Are you sure?
Let's get 2 of these, yeah.
No, like,
Well, that's the hot one.
I know, you don't want to do that?
Alright, we can try it out. I feel like this might make a sick stick.
Oh, I should have got a bigger one.
Oh my
I go
god.
trade it?
No. She got a balloon just for the sole fact of sucking helium out of it. What?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, so what is going on, guys? So we are at Burger King right now. She bought her cookies. She's right there. Show the cookies that you got.
So good.
Amazing. These so good. It's fresh out the oven right now.
2 cookies for $1.
2 cookies for $1. You can't beat that. Anyways, just wanted to record a quick talk, and that topic that I want to talk about is time versus money. Now, no, I'm not bashing on a 9-to-5 job. I'm not bashing on anything like that. I'm just saying that, with most jobs, like for example, a cashier at Burger King, or like people that work at Burger King, or just basically any 9-to-5 job, is what this video is going to be about. And more specifically, it's going to be about trading your time for money, right? Because that's what most people are doing with their 9-to-5 jobs. They're working a set amount of hours to make a set amount of money. So let's say, you work 5 hours to make $60, right? For example, that's just for an example, but depending on how much you make on an hourly basis, that is how much you're making.
I'm going to get a drink.
What kind of drink you get?
Sprite.
Alright. So the concept that I wanted to talk about is freedom, right? Because you can't gain freedom by working a 9-to-5 job. You can't gain freedom if your currency is based on time. If you're still living by time versus hour, there's no way you can really escape that trap, because you always have to work a set amount of hours in order to make a set amount of money. And I understand that, you have to pay your bills, you have to take after people, you have to put food on the table. So it's necessary for you to bring in some sort of income, for you to make money somehow. But I feel like so many people are living this way. They're living a 9-to-5 job where they exchange their time for money. And time is something that you can never get back. Time is something that you can never get back. And you'll never be able to give. Oh, that was so good. But yeah, you'll never be able to take back time. Once that hour is gone, you lose that hour. It's not like you can go back in time and get that hour back. And so for us to spend our time in exchange for money is a big problem, because we're not able to really enjoy life, because we're going about life doing, maybe you're working a job that you don't like, and you have to exchange that time and for your money, when you could be spending your time doing things that you enjoy. And that's what I preach about in this channel, is that You really want to focus on doing work that you enjoy and be able to make money from that. And not trading that for your time. Of course there's going to be a set amount of time that you have to put in to build, a product or build an online business, but it's not the same where you're trading your time for money. So find ways that you can monetize the things that you enjoy and have it in a way that you're not trading your time for that money. You're not working a set amount of hours to make a set amount of money. And for examples that you can make money for in a way that you're not trading your time for money is, let's say for example, you're coming out with a digital product, or you're coming out with an online course, right? You make a course that you're passionate about, and you market that to the right amount of people. And in that way, you can make an endless amount of money for just the amount of time that you put in for that product or for that course that you made. And in that way, you're not trading your time for money. And that's just one of the examples. There's a ton of ways with the internet that we're able to make money, not just based on our time. So I encourage you guys to find ways that you're able to do that, and find ways that you don't have to trade your time for money, because really time is the most valuable thing that we have, and you don't want to waste any more time doing things that you don't enjoy. So that's the quick talk that I wanted to make. People probably think I'm crazy right now. I'm just talking to a camera, but we will switch it around.
No,
how are you liking your food?
Continue.
Continue what?
Like your talk.
Guys, I'll talk about this more in depth in another video. I'll make a whole video about this proper style in my proper room with the proper environment. But just want to give you guys a quick glimpse and a quick, snippet of what I was thinking. It just popped up in my head because I really realized this just going about my day-to-day things. But I see people trading their time for money, and a lot of these people don't enjoy their job. So it hurts me to see that, and I've experienced it. I'm still working a 9-to-5 job, but it's all about finding a different way out. And if you're not thinking about that, then you're just gonna be trapped your entire life. So I just wanted to plant that seed in your head, and hopefully you guys have a realization and an insight for that. So flipping it back towards her.
Those were good cookies.
Those are good cookies?
Yeah.
Are they all gone?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we will see you guys back at the house. Peace. Alright, never mind guys. We are not going to see you back at the house. She brought up something that she thought I should put up in a video, and I'm going to flip her out and have her say that, whatever she was saying.
So time versus money, like what are you going to do with that time and what you can actually do with it that's valuable? Like when he says time, he doesn't mean like going out and like partying. Like he means like valuable, like I keep saying like. We need to edit this. Just go. Just talk about it.
We're not gonna edit that. But so yeah, she's right. You're not gonna. I'm not saying it in a way that you have time to just party and time to do video games and time to do these things that are worthless. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about time to actually, the whole reason why you want to escape the 9-to-5, the reason why you want to escape this hourly wage that you're receiving is because you want to have time to work when you want. And it doesn't mean that you're not going to work at all. You're just going to determine your own time. So when your closest friend wants to go out to eat, or someone that you haven't seen in a while, you can make time for that because you have that flexibility. And I'm not saying party and all that. You're not making time to party. You're making time to do things that you actually enjoy while also making money from that. That's the whole point. It's doing something that can actually add value. For example, I would much rather be doing videos like these and making blog posts so I can actually inspire you guys than spending my time working at a restaurant or working at a retail store, because that to me brings more value. That brings more of an impact to other people. So spending time in that way, and if I can make money from doing this, then that's using my time in the right way, and it's using my time to what I think is my full potential. So, you know, everyone has their skills, everyone has their talents, but being able to find what that is and then being able to use that time to make money from that thing. And that's what I mean when, you know, freeing up more time and actually gaining the freedom that you actually want. So therefore, you're able to do things like travel, you're able to see the world, you're able to do like other things. And of course, you have time to have fun, but you're also doing work that you actually enjoy and that you're passionate about. And that's what I meant by, you know, gaining more time and gaining more freedom from that. To answer the question? Yeah, I hope you guys understood that. So yeah, now we will see you back at the house.